In this video, I am going to tell you how you can get your first project on any freelance website like Upwork or any other websites like freelancer.com. Now, when I was starting my freelancing career for the first time, like 10 years ago or maybe 12 years ago, I tried to post some bids on odesk.com. And at that time, I was not that much experienced. I was not that much good at Photoshop or coding or HTML. So I started posting some bids and I didn't get any response for the first 2 months. So I left freelancing. I started doing other jobs and keep on gathering some experience, did some projects for my friends. So this is how actually I started. Then after 2 or 3 years, one of my friends, he said that you are good at web design. Why don't you try posting bids on Upwork, which was at that time odesk.com. So at that time, I again started posting posting some bids on different jobs on Upwork.com. And after like 2 weeks, I got a reply from a client, and I was very happy. I thought that this is going to be amazing. And my wife and my parents, they were mocking me, they were laughing at me that this is not going to work. You cannot you cannot get good income from freelancing. So I replied to that client, and he was from USA. He designed, he gave me some project of designing a very simple button which was almost identical to Amazon buy now button or add to cart button. So I did that, and it kept on going with that client, and he hired me on hourly rate for like $12 per hour at that time. It was, I think, 8 to 10 years ago. And that was my starting point. I think I worked for him like 60 hours and earned a lot, maybe more than $1,500 from my first client. And I did like 3 or 4 different website designs, different WordPress adjustments for him. And that was the starting point of my career. Now, I think most of the youngsters in our generation, they don't have persistence, or you can say patience. You have to be persistent, you have to have patience to start your freelance career. In the start, you are going to struggle. This is going to happen in any career. If you open up a new shop in the town, or you open up a new business, the first 3 months, the first 6 months, they will be tough. There will be very low customers. There will be you will have no reputation. There are a lot of problems. So always think that you have to be patient for like first 3 or 4 months or maybe 6 months in any new kind of business, whether it's a business, it's a new shop, it's freelancing. You have to be patient for first 2 months at least in freelancing, and keep in the meanwhile, if you are posting bids, keep on enhancing your skills. Keep on reading different job posts and see what are the requirements they are asking for. You have to be prepared. You have to meet those requirements. That is very essential. A lot of newbies or new freelancers, they start their career, but what happens is that in the end they suffer because they don't have that much experience, or sometimes they don't have they don't have exact things that clients are asking for. So you need to be prepared. You have to prepare yourself, and your skill set must match the skill sets of your clients' needs. So be patient, try to learn in the time you are not getting any jobs. Don't try to do or start getting depressed that I'm not getting any jobs, I should left freelancing. In the meanwhile, if you get a job, even it is not paying that much, do that. You are not going to lose that money. The job is a permanent income, and you know that this is I'm going to get at the month at the end of the month. Freelancing is a bit risky. It's like a business. Sometimes you have a lot of clients, sometimes you don't have that much business. Just like sometimes we have seasonal businesses like sweaters. If you sell sweaters, your winter will be season, you will have a lot of sales, but in the summer you might not have that much sale, or even you might close up your business. So similarly in freelancing, you might have some months that are going to give you like 3 or 4 months income, and sometimes you might have months where you have like, you might not be able to even meet your expenses, daily expenses. So that is all about getting your first project. Be patient, be persistent, keep learning. And I forgot one thing. You need to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon if you like this video or get some useful tips from it. I'm a freelancer doing freelancing from past 10 to 12 years. Now I have left those Upwork and other platforms because I have private clients. I'm going to expand it further by hiring few people. Right now I'm into teaching business. So that is all my story. I mostly teach UI design, UX design, and about freelancing, design and freelancing. That is all. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, you can always ask me down in the comment section below. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care and